from complaining. Then I went to raining. You could always catch me blaming till I started aiming at the top. Realized that I wasn't already there. Kinda aiming at myself. Now my vision's so clear. I'm on top. Vision so clear, never stop. So do more than stay when I'm on your block. Guaranteed to take you there up to the top. And if I fall, I still land on the top.
Yeah, don't worry about when the paper be coming. It's a kind of flexing only King Solomon be pulling. The high balling only King James be understanding. The kind of revenues all expert has been making, I'm climbing the ladder of greatness so strong. Holy Ghost the pen that mean I can't go wrong. Yeah, I'm kinging. I don't do the ringing. Grace is not fair. I'm taking over territories others wanting near.
Run them.